so I'm excited about it, but that's just another emotional load that's happening right now. If all of that weren't enough, I'm also on my period, and periods are typically pretty uncomfortable for me, and I have no motivation or capacity to really do anything. Something has made my period a lot better. Let me go get it. HighOh, a couple of pairs of their leak-proof period underwear, and let me tell you, I was really nervous putting them on at first because I was just so scared they were gonna leak on me or that they were gonna be uncomfortable, because sometimes period underwear has to be super tight in order to prevent leaks. I was so comfortable, and you know, these are cute. Like, they have mesh. They have cute little mesh on the sides, so like I still feel cute when I wear these. I don't feel like I'm wearing granny panties or anything, and I didn't leak at all, and they were really easy to clean. You just throw them in the wash on a rinse cycle before you, and then you just take them out and let them air dry. Best thing ever. So thank you to HighOh. You can find out more about them in the description, but I really love this product, and I have tried more expensive period underwear brands, and this is better, I would say. I think it's just about comparable or better than those other brands, especially for the price. So definitely check those out.